Good day, everyone. You're welcome to Legit Pay Online. Here is today daily combo card. Our first card for today is Mimi Coin. So Mimi Coins is our first card for today. So let's click on it, and boom, we've opened our first card under the daily combo. So our second card for today is Hotel Construction, which we are going to find it under specials. Yeah, under specials. Under specials, if you've opened it before, it will be under my card, and if you haven't used it before, you see it under the new card. So under the new card, that's the first one there, which is the Hotel Construction. So let's click on it. So if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also on the notification bell. So our third card as well is still under special. So let's go to the new card again and let's scroll down. Our third card for today is CX Hub. So we're still going to find it under the same special, and under the special we click on the new card, so we'll find it there. So now let's click on it to open the cards. So here is our today 50 million token coin. So now let's receive it. Yeah, we've opened the card for today. So thank you for watching to the end, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell and join our Telegram channel for more updates. Thank you and God bless. Peace.